Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 949 in a row. A little bit of a rough week on Bitcoin. Current price just over 45,000, down over 3.5% today, down over 10% on the past week, down about 3% on the month. So kind of frustrating when you have a really good month there and then all of those gains are kind of wiped out. But I think this could just be a normal dip, maybe going back down to test some of those moving averages. You know, we had a really strong run right there. So I think a little bit of a dip here is to be expected. So we're going to buy today's Bitcoin and then get into some exciting stuff after that. Let's take a look at the news real quick. Texas takes steps to amend Bitcoin into state constitution. So that's pretty interesting. BlackRock, which I believe is like a big investment company, believes Bitcoin price could rise significantly. Putin says Russia is not ready to adopt Bitcoin. And that's about it for today. So Bitcoin owned 0.089888347. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we purchased $1 of Bitcoin on this little bit of a dip here today. Using this dollar cost average method, just keep buying every single day. Getting so close to 0.09 Bitcoin owned there. Now we're at 0.089904992. Let's go ahead and do the math on our investment. $4,068. 4068 divided by 949 days equals a 4.28x on my investment. What that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.28. That's the power of dollar cost averaging over a long period of time. Let's go ahead, hop into some quick news. Sync is a token that I like. They have kind of like a little secret Discord call today. We can zoom in here, see the topics are marketing, proposal standards, and community engagement. To be a part of this call, you have to be in the Discord, own a crypto bond, and follow those instructions. So I'm excited for this, excited to see what they say. It's always good to hear from that team. They're super smart guys. And yeah, we'll see what happens. And we'll end this one off today on the Fold app. Remember, you guys can check out all these links down in the description. A lot of them are quick ways to just earn some free Bitcoin. So let's tap the wheel to spin here, see if we can get a little bit of free Bitcoin today. And we've got 10 free sats. Cool. Close that out. You can come to my sats up here in the top right. See, I've earned about $14 worth of Bitcoin there. And I think if you use my link to sign up, you get like $5 or something like that. So could be a nice little bonus for signing up. There you have it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.